When the House of Assembly continued with the business of the day, the Minister for Commerce, Industry and Trade, Jabulane Mabuza, moved a motion where he was beseeching the House to adopt the reservation of certain trades or businesses for Swazi citizens regulations for 2017. There are 31 businesses that the ministry wants to protect.
Kodwa kulesinye isikhathi nangabe singakawareserve nalaba lekungendeka ukhanda ukuthi bakhona eveni sebangathuka bawathatha bawasebenze kusho ukuthi ke speaker emakhaya lemfundo babe ikhulu vele khona onke nje amabhizinisi enziwa ngamaswazi ngesiwakhona nangokwemthetho lesinayo eveni kepha-ke edorobheni kuyehluka-hluka le speaker khona ama-urban areas uyokhanda ukuthi kuvulekile noma ngabe ngubani angathubeka asebenze ente leyo business ngikho-ke lesezama kulista labo ukuthi awu noma ngabe edorobheni kukhululekile kepha amabhizinisi amancane kanjengaboku-car wash nje ngiyabekisa speak akuyekelelwe emaswati kuphela.
Honorable members debated the motion.
If you look at the list, unengi nje kilo shop license, cleaning service license for cheap, optional, and so on and so on. Sasibone iko naloko sekuvele kule speed. And what is worrying me what is the way forward? Because most of these businesses that they want us to know what regulate nyalo. Say avela sitandeni abantu lesithi nebantu labeke kulo investors, abantu labeke go kwaya lokuncane lesina. Ngabe nginayi ngake siside ukuthi sisikele ukuthi what methodology we use to ensure ukuthi labantu laba bele lamabhizinisi lasebavele bawathethe ayabuyele emaswatini
lama regulations enkulu kusho ukuthi we are taking a step towards liberation, economic liberation emaswati
ukhala kukhona ngaphandle abantu bekuhamba basemokhala akusela uqiniso Mr. Speaker bantu bekuhamba bawasebenza ngcono kunasemabhizinisi.
Minister Mabuza gave answers to some of the concerns of the legislators, but he asked that the matter be discussed at committee level.
Nalokuchaza ke speaker ukuthi akuphambani futhi akuklash nalendaba yema-investors yokuthi litiko linikwe umsebenzi wokuthi sihambe siyofuna ema-investor to-invest evele. Uma sikhuluma nge-investor kufanele ukuthi kube nesikali phela sokuthi i-investor umuntu losuka la aye so ke ama-investors akaphazamiseki njalo nale ndaba yokuthi speaker iswati ngumuntu lo kanjani mhlawumbe ngabanjani lamaswazi citizens speaker kule u-constitution uyamchaza iswati ukuthi umuntu lonje bakhona labakhona ngekuthi wetalwa ukhona lokhona ngekuthi ukhondile wabekwa ngalokusemthethweni live lavuma ukuthi sewungwani.
For Swazi TV News, I'm LinkedIn Gule, Parliament.